The Mazda MX-5, also known as the Miata, is widely regarded as one of the most iconic and affordable roadsters ever built. With its lightweight chassis, playful handling, and that unforgettable pop-up headlight design, the Miata has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. But for some, good enough just doesn't cut it, and they want their beloved roadster to stand out even more. That's where the unique talents of Heartbeat, a Japanese custom body shop, come into play, offering a bold transformation with a Porsche-inspired bodykit. Heartbeat's custom bodykit is a bold reinterpretation of the MX-5, blending the spirit of the classic Japanese roadster with the refinement and aggression of Porsche's design language. While the decision to modify such a beloved classic may raise some eyebrows, the results speak for themselves. The most noticeable change is the front end, where the iconic pop-up headlights are replaced with oval-shaped units that are inspired by the first-generation R50 Mini Hatch. While the change may seem unusual at first, it surprisingly complements the Miata's design. The Morgan Aero 8 also uses similar headlights, further emphasizing the quirky yet sophisticated charm of this modification. Moving further along the exterior, the custom body kit incorporates a redesigned front bumper, complete with a sportier splitter. The hood now features functional vents, providing the car with a more aggressive and aerodynamic look. New fenders and deeper side skirts extend the car's profile, making it feel more substantial and closer to the performance-focused front-end styling of a Porsche. This transformation provides the Miata with a presence that goes beyond its original design, giving it an unmistakable European flair. To enhance the Miata's stance even further, Heartbeat has added custom fender extensions. These bolt-on extensions not only increase the car's width but also give it a more muscular and race-ready appearance. Coupled with 4-spoke alloy wheels, the Miata now looks ready to take on the track, offering a truly aggressive profile that demands attention from any car enthusiast. At the rear, Heartbeat continues the Porsche-inspired theme. The tail section gets a black trim piece surrounding quad-round taillights, paying homage to Porsche's design language. The rear bumper has also been strengthened and outfitted with a diffuser, adding both a performance edge and a polished aesthetic. Perhaps the most dramatic addition is the oversized rear wing, perched high on the stock MX-5 deck. This addition not only enhances the car's aerodynamic performance but also gives it a distinct visual signature that completes the transformation. Heartbeat's custom body kit is made from fiber-reinforced plastic, FRP, which ensures both durability and a lightweight feel, perfect for the Miata's driving dynamics. Since its introduction in 2014, this Porsche-inspired kit has gained traction within the automotive community, with more and more Miata owners opting for this bold modification to make their roadster truly unique. The kit's growing popularity on social media further reflects its appeal to car enthusiasts who are eager to elevate their vehicles with a touch of European elegance. While the price for such a transformation remains elusive, anyone interested in the Porsche-inspired makeover for their MX-5 is encouraged to contact Heartbeat directly for more information. This kit is a prime example of how much a car enthusiast is willing to invest in bringing their personal vision to life. If you're one of the many Miata owners who dream of a European-style makeover for your beloved roadster, this custom body kit could be exactly what you've been searching for.